My goodness, I look like a tropical bird right now, don't I? Ka? That was not cute. Oh my goodness. I'm embarrassed of myself. That was not cute at all. Erase from your memory, okay? Just erase that. I had these Fenty liquid eyeliners and I was really feeling them, so all of the other beauty breakdown of this look right here will be on my Instagram. I quickly changed the lipstick. So the one I'm wearing today is a Makeup Forever Rouge Intense in the shade 52. It's not cruelty free, guys. It's just that I have so many lipsticks just sitting over there and I never wear them. So I was like, hey, you know what? Why don't I try new lipsticks? And it matches my tops. So, hey. Let's get into the point of this video. It's been 500 minutes and we have not spoken about the point of this video. Good job, Jovi. You know that I try out a lot of skincare products. I want to give you a rundown of all the products that stood out to me from all the products that I've tried. Product number 1 is the CAUDALIE Beauty Elixir. Now, I've heard of this from like 6 years ago and I've never tried it because I was like, this is just a face mist. That hype hasn't died in 6 years. And I finally got myself this product just a month ago, and do you see how much I've used it? So what is this? It's just a face mist, but it can be used as a toner, it can be used to calm your skin, it can be used as a skincare step or to refresh your skin or as a makeup setting spray. And I've been using this as everything. Every time I'm really tired, every time my skin is dull, I used to pick this up and just shh, because the scent of this is also so invigorating. Oh, it just wakes me up. Product number 2 is PIXI's Glow Tonic. Now, this is another super hyped product. Been hyped for years. Now, one thing you need to know about me is I don't fall into hypes. So I wait for 1 year, 2 year, till I can't. I'm like, the hype is not dying. What is it about this product? That's when I actually reach out for a product. Now, this is the future's way of exfoliating your skin, in my opinion. This is 5% glycolic acid and it's also got a lot of other ingredients in it like aloe vera and I don't know the other things, but they have a lot of other skin soothing, skin nourishing ingredients in this. So if you have hyperpigmentation or dry flaky skin, if you want a glow on your skin, this is what you need to be using. Even the ordinary glycolic acid is really good, but that is 7% glycolic acid, so it's a little stronger. So this is a beginner's way to enter into the whole glycolic acid world. I wouldn't recommend using this every night. I know that is what is written on the directions behind, but using an acid every single day, in my opinion, is a little excessive. Like, you wouldn't exfoliate your skin every day, right? I suggest every alternate day, and I suggest using it at night. Not in the morning, guys. At night. And the next day, make sure that you double up on your sunscreen because glycolic acid can make your skin sensitive to sun. If you are mid 25 and above, this also kind of tones down your fine lines and wrinkles. It prevents fine lines and wrinkles. Product number 3 that I'm obsessing over right now is the Ordinary's Advanced Retinoid 2%. This just gives my skin that instant boost, that glow, you know. It doesn't matter how tired my skin is. Once I apply this, go to bed, wake up in the morning, I have such a beautiful glow on my face, and it also like evens out the texture of my face. It like kind of it's like a filter. It smoothens out my skin like I ironed it. When you use this particular product, you don't have to use anything else. So just go clean your face. If you want tone, I'm lazy like that. Sometimes I even skip toning and go straight to this. When you're using retinoid, use it at night. I think this 2% is good for beginners because I was a beginner when I started using this and I'm still stuck at the 2%. I've never gone above that. Do not use this every night. I recommend like once a week or twice a week. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you have hyperpigmentation, all of those things that the glycolic acid does, the retinoid does as well. It also plumps your skin. It's good for anti-aging. If you are someone in their late 30s or 40s, you can enter with the 2% and slowly graduate into a higher percentage of retinoid. The next product that I have is this face wash by the Glow Recipe, guys. So what I look for in a good face wash is make sure that it takes off all the dirt and grime. So I want my face wash to remove my makeup as well, but I do not want the face wash to dry my face. You know, when you feel like your face is just so dry that you're like, I can't move it. Nah, I'm never using that face wash again. It's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's a makeup erasing plus deep cleansing face wash from the Glow Recipe. You might have to buy it online. You can even use it as a deep cleansing face mask. This is how much I used in just like a month and a half because we really like it. And this is one of those products Ruben and I fight about. Like, I'm like, don't finish my face wash, and he's like, it's just a face wash. I love it that much. Another face wash that I love is the Namely's bar face wash. It's a soap bar, so I used it up, so I can't show it to you. It's pink in color, it's round, and it's a face soap bar. Everything that I said about this applies to the Namely one as well. It is so gentle on the skin, but it's so thorough with the cleansing. I love it. Product number 7 is gonna be a little bit of an expensive product and a little bit of a niche product. Now, this is for mid-30s and up. If you have deeper lines and wrinkles like crow's feet and the forehead lines I keep talking about, or even these lines that I have, guys, here is a product that can help. So this is really potent. This is the SINCEUTICALS Retexurizing Activator. It's a bifunctional resurfacing and replenishing serum. So it gets rid of all of these deeper lines. It's not for that much of a fine line situation. It's slightly more for a deeper line. But while applying products like this, also remember that lines like these are never gonna go, because it's actually a proper indent on my skin, unless you use a filler, go to a dermatologist and actually inject it. This I've been loving because it actually has, smoothened out my forehead lines a little bit. I can see results with this, with a little bit of my smile line. I smile a lot. I'm very expressive. I've got these lines, right? This really helps out with that. It's a serum, so use it soon after cleansing your face and before your moisturizer at night. Product number 7 that I'm obsessed with is the POSAY CICAPLAST BAUME B5. It's an all-over care. You can use it as a skincare, you can use it as a body care. It's more like a medicated balm. I've had allergies on my face. I use this, allergy gone. Snuggles and I, we play fight a lot, and he scratches me quite a lot. This was a really deep gash yesterday. I applied this on it yesterday night, and it's gone. It's dried, and it prevents any sort of infection. So when you have any nicks and cuts or burns, or if you do laser skincare removal, and if you have children, if they have nappy rash, if you have any sort of rash, if you have any skin concern, guys, this particular thing, apply it on your face, and it just treats your skin and nourishes your skin at the same time. Next up, I have a sleeping mask, and this is also from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's a glowing radiance plus softening sleeping mask. It's got glycolic acid in it as well. Again, this is what I do on lazy days when I don't want to do like a 5-step skincare routine or whatnot. Wash my face, tone if I feel like it, and go straight to the sleeping mask. It hydrates your skin, plumps your skin, softens those lines. It just makes your skin feel really good. Next up, I have another sleeping mask, and this is by KLAIRS. This is another Korean brand, and this is the freshly juiced vitamin E mask. This contains vitamin E and niacinamide. This combination brightens your skin, plumps your skin, hydrates your skin, gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles, repairs your skin. Love the consistency of it, and even the smell. Oh my goodness, it's like proper jelly. Like, it's not gonna come out, and every time I scoop it out, it's like proper jelly, jiggalo wiggalo jelly. The next product I want to talk about is the NIOD Copper Amino Isolate Serum. So this comes in 2 separate vials, and then you put one tube into the other, mix it up, and then you have to finish it off in 30 days. This, again, if you want plump, soft, bright skin, this is a beautiful serum. It's even got like a fun blue tint. And finally, for skincare, I have a toner. This is from CAUDALIE, and this is the VINOPURE ClearSkin Purifying Toner. It says purifying essential oils, complex exfoliating salicylic acid, and soothing grape water. So it's made for people with acne prone skin, but it can also be used by anyone. And this is a toner that you can use in the morning to purify your skin, to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. For my bonus products, I've got a lip product that I'm sure all of you have heard of so many times, and that is the LANEIGE Sleeping Lip Mask. I use this as my lip balm before I go to bed at night, and I never ever suffer from dry lips, guys. And this is such a giant tub. In spite of using it every single night, I've got so much left, which is what I love. And I use quite a lot of drying liquid lipsticks and those kind of things during the day, but I apply this at night, and I wake up with absolutely soft, smooth lips with this one. So this, I feel, is worth the hype. I really like this one. And finally, for my bonus product, we've got the L'Occitane shower oil with almond from Provence. my French is not so great, so I'm not going to butcher the name and everything. But if you have dry skin, I have super dry skin, get yourself an oil like this for your shower. It's an actual oil. Do you see that? And you rub it on your body, and when you wash it with water, it lathers into soap. And it doesn't dry out your skin, it leaves it soft. It's obviously a little expensive, so if you want to treat yourself for your birthday or for Christmas, get yourself this particular shower oil and thank me later, guys. Keep it away from the husbands because they're gonna finish it. These are my top 10 must-have skincare products for right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you out, and if you have tried any of these products that I've mentioned, what are your thoughts on it? Because everybody doesn't have to love everything, you know? So let me know. Can't wait to hear from you. Older videos right down below, and I shall see you in my next one. Mwah.